Attention, this is an emergency alert from the National Health Emergency Response District. A serious health condition known as Brainrot has been detected among Generation Alpha. Symptoms include cognitive decline, memory loss, and behavioral changes. It is crucial for parents and guardians to monitor their children for these symptoms and seek medical attention if necessary. Please limit exposure to digital devices and ensure a balanced lifestyle. Stay tuned for further updates and follow local health guidelines.